Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm doing a review on this kids magnetic travel drawing board. I was asked to do this by a company and the link will be in the description to this toy. But before we get into it, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. I love you guys. You are the best viewers. We are getting so close to 10,000 subscribers and I'm getting really excited about it. So thank you so much. I'm going to be saying thank you quite a lot, but I really appreciate all of you and it just makes me want to work harder and to so many new things coming for the new year. Just put it that way. We have so many new things coming. But let's get into this review on this travel magnetic kids drawing board. Okay, so when I open it, this is what it looks like. And just take it out of the packaging, which is really easy. So if you're traveling, obviously your kids don't want to have to rustle around with. So I'm just going to write my name. Fairly easy. And oh, I like the different color here, how it does the different colors when you write on different parts of the board. That is so awesome. So of course, to erase, you just slide, and it has these little flower pieces and stars, which okay. So we have a star and we have a flower that was here on the sides. So I'm just gonna stamp that around. That's so awesome. Really cute, guys. So this will keep your kids busy. If you had two of them, your kids could write notes to each other in the back seat while you're traveling. Just something a little extra besides, you know, electronics. Because I have teens, I have little kids, and they are always stuck on the electronics, and I'm always looking for other things for them to do. This can also be used to help the little ones with homework. You know, your little kids that need to practice their ABCs. This would be great because you can work with them to do their homework or use it for the weekly spelling words. Just write on here in each one that they master, maybe erase it or cross it out or something, put a star next to the ones that they continuously get correct. Whatever works best for you. But I like this. This is really cool. It's inexpensive, easy to use, as you can see, easy to erase. It comes with the little decorations here for the board. When you write on the board, it's in different colors. It's easy to handle, very sturdy. So I really like this, and this will be easy to travel, maybe put in a suitcase to grandma's house, or even just on a road trip to a doctor's appointment or running errands with your little ones and they need something to do besides take over your phone. So this is a great product. I give it 5 stars. I am putting my seal of approval on this magnetic drawing board. So if you would like to purchase one, this is also cool for a Christmas gift. Christmas is coming up soon, guys. I have 3 gifts so far that I've gotten for all my kids. But this would be great for the my grandson. This would be great for him. He's still learning. He's 6 years old, so he's in 1st grade. This is the perfect gift for him when he gets bored or, you know, he needs to practice his spelling words. So great product. Again, this is linked in the description if you would like to purchase that for yourself. It's from Amazon. So yeah, I am falling in love with Amazon. Anything that I'm looking for, I find on Amazon, and this is great. Like I said, inexpensive. It's a great toy. You saw for yourself how great it is, and I absolutely love the different colors that come up when you write on the board. So again, thank you very much, guys, for watching my channel. Thanks for the support. thanks for the fact that we're so close to 10,000 subscribers. My daughter has a channel. She has 2 videos on her channel now, and that link is also down below. So make sure you go check her out. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up on this video. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I have been posting a lot more lately on my Insta stories, more so than just posting regular. So make sure you check that out. And until next time, bye.